underdressed.
It's very fancy.
Here we are, guys, on the way back down. If you look outside, you see a lovely view. Hi! Hey guys.
Follow me?
Everybody's in the washroom right now. They left me outside. We are now in downtown Banff. We're gonna get beavertails and ice cream. I'm vlogging. We are at the historical destination, the washrooms.
Bruh.
I feel like an influencer. Add me on Instagram at LizzieKit2.
That's good. Strawberry lemonade.
Well, the lineup's not really long right now.
Yum. The strawberry lemonade is so good. It's very hazy outside.